I was just watching TikTok when I saw these and other fidgets. I wanted them so bad.
Unlike you. Show me how you care.
Who's there?
Tell me how you love.
Delivery, ma'am.
Okay, thanks.
Show me how
This is.
you smile.
Okay, so this is the dumpling. Hopefully, I get the glitter one. Oh my god, I got the glitter dumpling. Wait, how is there two? And it's another glitter dumpling. Oh my god, another one. How many are there, bro? Oh my god, my luck. I think I'm gonna get all the glitter dumplings. Oh my god, gee, I feel like I wanna cry. Oh my god, gee. They finished sadly. But I like them. Now let's see my other fidgets. A big color changing dumpling squishy.
Show me how you're proud.
A gum roll Nido squishy.
Tell me how
A blue jellyfish Nido.
the moon
And finally a pink jellyfish Nido. Oh my god, I love them so much. I'm gonna show you my collection. This is my collection. Bye guys.